At Lower Fort Garry, greenhouse gas emissions have been reduced by 10 tons a year through the simple installation of a solar wall on the Visitor Reception Center.
This is a very simple technology that we've installed, but it's absolutely great for reducing greenhouse gases and energy consumption in the building. From an operational point of view, this is the greatest technology in the world because you don't have to do anything with it. What we have here is basically a perforated sheet metal wall, and we painted it a very dark brown, black type of color. And what you see here is the actual void. So the void you're looking at is probably about 6 to 8 inches, and it's simply air comes in, we heat it up through natural convection that occurs, and we move it through our air handling units and into the building. The amount of heating requires depends on the outside ambient temperature. So instead of having to take air that's minus 30, heat it up and then put it into the building, we take air that's heated to probably about 0, 2, 3 degrees. So what happens then, once the air is pre-warmed, we move it through this ductwork, and as you can see, if you follow the ductwork down, we bring it to a conventional air handling unit that uses natural gas to warm up the air. What this system allows us to do, instead of having to warm up air that's say minus 30 to minus 40, it allows us to warm up air that could be coming in at 5, 10 degrees. Thus, we use a lot less natural gas to heat up that air to a temperature that's acceptable, that's ambient for our inside operations. From October to November, you get a temperature here on average of about minus 8 to minus 12 degrees. With this heating up, we can pretty much take this air and move it into the building without actually heating it. When you get into January and February, which in Manitoba is a very cool time of the year, when you get temperatures of minus 30, minus 40 degrees sometimes, we basically use probably half of what we did previous to heating up the air. From a maintenance point of view, this is great. There's no moving parts on this feature. There's no real maintenance other than maybe washing it once every 5 or 6 years. It's a very simple technology. It's an architectural feature. You can do murals on this type of feature. You can incorporate it whatever aspect you like. It's simple, it's easy to maintain, lasts for about 25, 30 years, and it reduces greenhouse gases by a huge amount because you're not using as much natural gas to heat your building.